Hey guys, so I think it's somewhere after 10 a.m. on Thursday, February 3rd, and it's actually a lot colder today than it was yesterday. Yesterday it was about 19 degrees. Today it is 17 degrees. So I'm using my digital camera. I was going to use my HD camera. Well, unfortunately, the batteries were running low on my HD camera. I forgot to charge it last night. So I'm going to do two cold starts here. Another cold start on my car, and I'm going to see if I can attempt to do a cold start on my leaf blower. Maybe blow some snow off my car, which I seriously doubt that I will be able to, because that snow is just very hard. I kind of loosened up some of the snow a little bit though, but it's probably not gonna do anything good. Let's see if I can get in my car this time. Whoa, shit, I almost fell. Nope, my door's frozen again. Alright, got my door open. Fortunately, the Impala's not here. My mother actually went to work today. The conditions on the road are obviously not that bad. So my mother decided to go to work. She hadn't worked since Monday. And let's get back in here. Let's see what this car is going to do. It was running yesterday. I don't think this time we'll need the defroster. Go ahead and turn all these. And let's see how it'll start for today. Cool. Just fires right up. Sweet. I'm afraid to close this door now. But let's see if I can get the other door to open from inside. Yeah. Boy, that door's frozen solid. Well, let me see if this one will close and then open back up. Oh, wow. Cranked over kind of a little slow, kind of like yesterday. Okay, now for the blower. I have no idea on how this thing's going to start. It'll be amazing if it'll start in two pulls, but we'll see what will happen here. I need to find a perfect spot here to do this. It's going to be kind of hard. I think I'll just set the camera right here. I don't want to set my camera in ice. Alright, that'll work. Alright. Turn it on. On choke. Let me take my glove off so I can prime it. I'm going to give it 5 primes. Alright, let's see how the blower will start at 17 degrees. Oh! You wave it on choke a little bit. wow, I can't believe it. It started. And running perfect too. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit before I give it some more revs. That thing's actually pretty quiet. No luck, the snow's too hard. Let's see if we can get to the trunk. Let's see if you can see it. Oh, another epic fail. But hey, it actually started pretty good at 17 degrees. Gotta love your Echoes. Model PB251. In fact, it doesn't really have enough blowing power anyways. I mean, it only blows 145 miles per hour and 390 CFM. Alright guys, so yeah, again, that's the cold starts on my car, 1999 Pontiac Grand MGT, and the Echo PB251. The only available small engine equipment that I have. That's all the others I dumped all the gas out of them and put them back away. I won't need them again until the spring. Probably in a couple weeks I'll do a cold start on the lawnmowers. Alright guys, so take it easy. Bye.